Good morning. Take a deep inhale and a slow, relaxing exhale. Again, take a deep inhale and a slow, relaxing exhale. Let your shoulders soften and let every word you are about to hear find its way to the part of you that needs it most. You do not have to reach for anything or prove anything. Just stay open and allow yourself to receive. I am enough, and I have always been enough. I am beautiful in my own unique way. My body is worthy of love and respect. The right people celebrate everything I am. I am captivating, vibrant, and magnetic. I am intelligent, and my mind is powerful. I deserve every good thing life has to offer. My talents are real. My gifts are genuine, and I own them fully. My opinions matter, and my voice deserves to be heard. My sensitivity is a superpower and a gift. I look in the mirror and see someone worthy of love. I radiate beauty and wisdom that deepens with every passing year. I am on my own unique path, and I celebrate it. I am loved exactly as I am right now. I am deeply lovable and worthy of real love. Love finds me easily and naturally. I attract people who are aligned with my highest good. I am whole and completely worthy of healthy love. I choose myself, and the right people choose me too. I give generously, and I receive abundantly. I am safe, and I am deeply loved. Every experience has brought me closer to who I am meant to be. Money flows to me easily, and I manage it wisely. I am worthy of wealth and financial abundance. My success uplifts everyone around me. I am driven by purpose, and I pursue my goals boldly. My value is immeasurable, and I am compensated greatly for what I bring. I am exactly where I need to be right now. I love my children deeply, and I am exactly the mother they need. I handle everything in my life with grace and strength. I am capable of more than I can imagine. I show up fully, and that is always enough. I make myself a priority, and the world benefits from it. I know exactly who I am, and I love her deeply. every step I take is shaping me into the woman I am becoming. I embrace new beginnings and I welcome fresh starts with open arms. My purpose is unfolding clearly and beautifully every day. I am figuring it out in my own perfect time. I release the past with gratitude and walk boldly into my future. My dreams are my destiny, and I am already on my way. I release what was, and I move forward freely. I trust my intuition completely, and I make decisions with confidence. I am grounded in peace, and I trust that all is well. I step forward boldly, and I rise every time. I am proud of everything I have built so far. I give myself permission to be perfectly imperfect. I am safe and the universe always protects me. I am whole and I am healing more every single day. I am resilient and I rise stronger every day. I am worthy of all the love and joy this world has to offer.